Hi students, now we are going to solve the multiple choice questions in the exercise chapter Wave Optics. Question number 1 is, a plain glass is placed over various colored letters, violet, green, yellow and red. The letter which appears to be raised more. So like this we take a glass scale and place over these 4 colored dots, violet, green, yellow or orange we can take and red. Okay, let us assume this is yellow, then red. Now due to the normal shift, the dots will raise up, but since the wavelength of the different colors are different, the apparent depth at which these dots are visible, they will not be the same level, they will be at different levels. Now this will be the actual position of the dots. So let us take D. D is the actual thickness of the glass plate, or D is called the actual depth. And D dash for violet, okay, D dash for green, D dash for yellow and D dash for red will be appearing like this. Now the apparent depth is denoted by the symbol D dash, and this is equal to the actual depth divided by the refractive index of that particular color, is it not? So the refractive index of glass for violet will be the greatest, and the refractive index for glass for red will be the least. So now you can take D dash for violet. D dash for violet is proportional to 1 divided by the refractive index for violet. Therefore, refractive index of violet is the largest, and hence D dash for violet will be the least. So this violet only will be appearing highest. So what is the answer? The letter which appears to be raised more is violet. Violet is found to be raised. So violet is raised most. Why? Because for that the apparent depth is least. Okay, it is raised most because the apparent depth for violet is least. So which is the correct option? So option D is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.